I spent the past year automating my entire apartment: lights, routines, security, even cooking. Here's what worked, what surprised me, and what life actually feels like living with 10 smart devices every day. SwitchBot Hub 2. This was my control center. It unified older remotes, connected to Alexa and Google, and let me set routines that triggered multiple devices at once, all from one hub. Echo Dot 5th Gen. Voice control is essential. I use this little guy for music, weather, turning lights on or off, and activating custom routines like good morning or movie night. Small speaker, big roll. Topo Smart Bulbs 4-pack. These gave me instant control over the lighting vibe. Warm for evenings, bright white for work hours, and with schedules and voice integration, I haven't touched a light switch in months. Kasa Smart Plug 2-pack. These power a heater and a floor lamp. I've set them to turn on before I wake up and off automatically when I leave. Effortless energy savings, especially in winter. Eufy Video Doorbell Dual. Living in an apartment, this gave me peace of mind. I can see who's at the door, talk to them, and get notified when packages arrive, all without opening the door. Roborock Q Revo. Daily vacuuming and mopping with zero effort. It maps my place, self-empties, and even avoids cords and rugs. My floors have never been cleaner. Koisore Smart Air Fryer. This changed how I cook. I can preheat from my phone, set cooking programs with voice commands, and get a notification when food's ready. It's perfect for busy evenings. Amazon Smart Thermostat. It automatically adjusts the temp based on my routine. It's energy efficient and looks clean on the wall. I barely think about it, and that's the point. Aqara Motion Sensor P1. I placed this near the entry so when I come home, the hallway lights turn on automatically. It also helps trigger away/home routines. Small sensor, big impact. NaniQ Smart Garage Opener. Living in a unit with a garage, I can now open it from my phone or set it to close automatically when I drive away. No more second guessing if I left it open. Here's the truth. Automating your home isn't about going full sci-fi. It's about small upgrades that make everyday life smoother. All the products I used are linked in the description. If you're thinking about automating your space, this setup is a great place to start.